Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor. In today's video we are going to cover Shiba Inu. We are going to see all the March news and TA. Shiba Inu right now is at 72% down from all-time high. We are going to do some amazing technical analysis so you will know if you should buy or sell. And we are going to cover all the major important news about Shiba Inu ecosystem. So after seeing this video, you will know exactly what to do and what to expect of this project in March. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and click the bell to get the notifications. And without anything else, let's go into it. Hey guys, well, a lot of things happen in the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Right now it's at position 15. And the Shiba Inu price has been declining a lot on the last couple of months. We are at 72% down from the all-time high that happened in October. If we see the chart, I will give you a comprehensive chart analysis from the price action of Shiba Inu on the last year and a half. I have been doing Shiba Inu videos from this when we created this cap and handle pattern. I mentioned at this point, October 23, not all the market was up, that we are going to have a very big uptrend. I entered some long positions here, trading it, not in spot with leverage. So if we can see the rally that created the all-time high at 8718. And from there, from October 2021, we are in a downtrend. That is clear here. If we zoom a little bit into the chart, from October to November, we created this descending triangle. And when we broke it to the downside, that was it. It was the end. We held it some support at this important line. This yellow line that you can see here is super important because it has confluence from the beginning of 2021. In May here you can see how these very big daily candles open and close here and was actually the neck of this cap and handle pattern. So when we retested after the all-time high was of course a big line of support. You can see that here, here and here. And also was resistance here and here after we go down again. A couple of months after, this is January 2022 beginning, we can see how we tested again in February 7 and also was resistance. So this yellow line, I will change it the color to this light blue so we can see it more clearly. This is a very significant line that marks the different momentums of the Shiba token. So once we broke it here, that was it. We never come back again. This is at the 3507. This will be the most important level to recover. We need to go above that. We have been having lower highs and lower lows until this point here at 2083. This is now the most critical point. You can see that we have some wicks here as support. We have all this price action during January and February. This was like 3 weeks of price action. And we come back again, actually the 24th of February to test it again. So this is the decisive line of support that Shiba token has right now at 2045. If we break that down, we really don't have much support and we can go probably directly and losing 100% of value to this rectangle where we have a lot of peaks and confluence of resistance here that should be support. But we really don't have much support between this range. It could create new support, but that is not in the chart right now. Actually, if you put the PVR, you will see that we have resistance right now at this level, which is the 2728 level. This is the first target to recover. And below that, we have some support at 214 or 204. So this area again. These are the two major areas like the PVR is marking. So first of all, to a bullish scenario, we need to have support at 2827. You can see that was support here, support and resistance here. So this line, this red line that you can see here is a very strong line of support and resistance, and we need to create a support above that. In order to reverse the trend, we need to create a new higher high around this area and held support above the 38 because we have been in this downtrend that you can see here. This is the last lower low that you have, and right now we are in a new lower low, and this is a higher high of this. So if we try to consider that we are starting a new uptrend here, we should get support at this level and go from here to a new higher high of this previous high at 3.4. So this is the best bullish scenario possible. But right now we are inside this descending triangle again. This is a similar pattern that we already experienced at this top. We are not so confident on the price of Shiba Inu. You can see how these violet lines are very important. This one is the base of this descending triangle and was support on these body candles these weeks. All-time resistance here and was support here from the last weeks. So this is very important support and resistance area. If we break it, we are going to test again the 2057. If we break to the upside, that will be great, and we will maybe create a higher high here above 3843. So that will be a bullish scenario, but this is a bearish pattern. 70% approximately of the times it will break to the downside. I don't think that we are going to go directly to lower territories. I think we are going to have support at this 205 level that I had been mentioned. So this is an important moment for the Shib token. If we are in a bottom, this could be a good area to buy, but of course right now we are inside in a pattern, so I will wait to see how that play out. You can see this pointing line, this is at 2.7. So if we break to the upside, I will like to buy Shib tokens above this level. Breaking this descending triangle to the upside about the 2.7, this will be a great area to buy. We can go to 3.4 and this will be resistance, but if we break it, test it as support, then this will be super bullish. And to the opposite, if we break this 2.3 level, we are going to go to 2.051, and there we need to hope to hold that support, that because if not, then it's the abyss for this token, and we can lose 100% of value going to 1109, for example. Right now I don't have evidence in the chart that we are going to break this level of the 2029, for example, but there are some bullish things around the news of Shiba Inu. For example, the Ethereum whale buys 442 billion Shiba Inus as meme token burn plans growth. An Ethereum wallet has invested 11.9 million to buy 442 billion tokens of the meme-inspired cryptocurrency Shiba Inu in a single transaction before moving the founder to a larger wallet. And in another news, also whale buying Shiba Inu dip. Top 1000 Ethereum wallets on average accumulate 647 million Shib tokens in 24 hours. This is from 4 and 5 of March. So we have whales accumulating that could indicate that they have inside information maybe, or they are really thinking that this is the bottom of the Shiba Inu price action. Again, I think we can go to 2 without a problem breaking this pattern. But I think whales are confident that this is the bottom, and this can be associated to the bullishness of the burn mechanisms that are in the Shiba community. 213 million Shiba Inu burned in 24 hours, an increase of 1000% from the previous day. The Shib community-led burning initiatives seem to charge, as recent data provided by Shib Burn official Twitter handle reveals that about 213 million Shib tokens were taken out of circulation forever, with 10 transactions within the last 24 hours. And also, the Shib Burn party organizer wants Shiba Inu community to get rid of 10% of supply. And this is super bullish. A 10% out of the supply, it will make the price of Shib tokens go really high. And this came from Steve Cooper, the CEO of cryptocurrency entertainment firm Bigger Entertainment, has clarified in a tweet that the company is looking to support the community of the meme-inspired cryptocurrency Shiba Inu in burning 10% of its supply. So yeah, if they achieve to do this, the price of Shiba Inu, of course, it will be super pumped. because less supply means more scarcity on the token, and that will increase the mathematical equation to calculate the price of the Shib token. And these are not only the news about the Shiba Inu ecosystem, also Shib payments now accepted by Australian energy company through BitPay. Payment service provider BitPay has announced that Australian energy company First Energy now accepts cryptocurrency Shiba Inu, included through BitPay. This is not a partnership directly from Shiba Inu with this Australian energy company, but it's because in BitPay you can pay with many of the important cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Bitcash, Dogecoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and also you have Shiba Inu here. So this is included in a way that you can now make the payments here. And also Shiba Inu ad campaign starts in Milan before NFT fashion line release. And Shiba Inu has teamed up with Sean Richmond, an Italian high-end fashion designer, to produce a non-fungible token-based fashion line later this year. The meme-inspired cryptocurrency team has obtained adverts on the 1825 number tram in Milan city center thanks to Sean Richmond's relationship with the municipal council. And also Shiba Inu community was looking forward to help and donate Shib tokens to Ukraine. Milchake, an official member of the Shiba Inu portal, tagged the Vice Prime Minister of Ukraine in a tweet and said that the Shib community wants to help Ukraine in these difficult times. And talking about Milchake, he also created this new Shib community, so you can go and join here. You only will be able to tweet if you are already a member here. So this is one of the last news of the Shiba Inu community. So a lot of things happen in the Shiba Inu ecosystem. We have some doubts about the price action, what could happen here, but you can see that the indicators are not telling too much. We have the RSI at 42 and we don't have any bullish divergence or anything like that. The MACD doesn't tell too much. It was starting to maybe cross here and get bullish, but it returned in a bearish state. Money flow index is going up, but it's actually in neutral territory. The stochastic RSI is going down, but we could see a cross here. It's not with so much momentum. So the indicators are not telling too much. And if we go to a 4-hour candle, you can see that practically the indicators are showing the same than in the daily candle, and that is not so common. So we don't have so much accuracy on what the indicators are telling. I think we need to wait for more Shiba Inu news and wait what Bitcoin does. But be sure that this level that I show you and this descending triangle is very important right now. And we need to have support about the 2068. Well guys, that is all for this video. Before we leave, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and click the bell to get the notifications. And put your comments below. What do you think that will happen with the Shib token? What is your expectations right now if we are already reached the bottom of this token price action and we are going to the moon right now, or if we can see a very big downtrend on this token. That will be all, and I see you tomorrow with a new video. Bye.